Welcome to another episode of Gate Vision.
This time we will show you the functions of the Alpine ICS-X8.
One of the new functions is the favorite bar. The favorite bar can be accessed by lightly pushing the home key and basically from every single application or screen you might be in. If you push the home key a little bit more firm, you go to the home screen, which will again allow you to customize all the icons the way you want them to be. If you want to start the customization, operation is very similar to regular smartphones. Push and hold one of the icons and then you can move them around or delete them. For applications that you use more frequently, it's very convenient to put them on the favorite bar because they can be accessed from every window of the unit at the one push of a button.
Wow, the user interface looks really different.
Yeah, it's the first time that most of the interface can be customized like the home screen of a smartphone. The illumination of the home key, as well as the background color of all the menus and all the screens, can be modified. For the home key, there are 4 different colors available to match the dashboard of the car in the best way. And depending on the user's taste or on the illumination of the dashboard, we have 5 color schemes to choose for the menu screens. The ICS-X8 allows also USB video playback and audio playback. The videos on the USB can be accessed, like music, by just selecting video, a folder, and then directly accessing the titles the way you want it.
What about MirrorLink?
Well, MirrorLink is a pretty new protocol that allows the control of a smartphone via a mobile media station like the ICS-X8. Everything that is visible on the phone is mirrored, hence MirrorLink, on the screen, and we can control the full screen and all the functions that are available for certain applications. We see a short example of the Nokia Drive application in this small clip. MirrorLink is the technology that enables to use a smartphone and control it via the screen of the entertainment system. Here we see the Nokia Drive application with a connected Nokia phone, and the operation is done from the screen of the ICS-X8. If music is stored on the Nokia smartphone, it can be accessed in a very convenient way via the Car Mode UI user interface. Basically, a search by artist album is possible as we know it from iPod or from other USB media. The iPod control became really cool in the ICS-X8. Finally, we are able to use the cover flow in order to navigate around our music collection. One of the special features of the ICS-X8 is the control of the audio settings. Despite the usual stuff like volume, fader, balance and subwoofer level, we have now the chance to adjust the volume for each single source. We got Media Expander, which is available in 3 different levels in order to restore the harmonics that have been cut out when processing compressed data, compressed music. Bass Max EQ has basically 10 presets that are also graphically illustrated on the right side. One of the key functions for great staging in a car is the time correction. And the time correction settings can be done in milliseconds or in centimeters, depending on the expertise level of the user. And we got 3 different presets which allow to modify the time alignment. Also, the setting of the crossover became very easy with that graphical interface. Last but not least, the ICS-X8 features a 9-band parametric equalizer, which allows sound fine-tuning in a very deliberate way.
What I really like is to connect 2 mobile phones by Bluetooth.
Right, this may not sound very exciting, but in the end you are able to connect one phone for playing back music and the other one still is available for hands-free calls. In other words, if your teenager, for instance, or your girlfriend, boyfriend, partner, whatever you want to call it, wants to listen to their certain music, connect the phone, but don't lose the ability to receive calls that come into your phone. The Bluetooth module of the ICS-X8 allows to pair up to 5 different phones. The phones can be assigned for audio playback or for hands-free telephone calls, which means we can play back music from one phone, as you can see here in the top line, from a Galaxy S2. And we can also receive calls during that playback from another phone, as you can see here, from an iPhone.
Hello.
During the call, we have the chance to change the volume of the incoming sound, and we also can change the microphone sensitivity.
Okay, bye-bye.
And again, once the call is finished, the music playback will resume.
Thanks for watching and
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and come back for another episode of GateVision.